Bitcoin is going to 100K. This is the train. You have to be on. You want to know everything about that? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. Lark Davis told us the Bitcoin train is on its way to 100K. Get on board or get left behind. Bitcoin hit $69,000 and we were so happy. It was funny because in my chart here on Friday, we were just $1 away of that $69,000 line, and we were a little bit concerned. But on Sunday and also today, Monday, we were all the way up to 69,400, something like that. So yeah, that's good for our interest. Of course, Bitcoin going higher, reaching for higher highs. After 217 days of sideways price action, Bitcoin is finally breaking out the failing trend line that has been holding it down since March 2024. Amazing news for Bitcoin that we wanted to make higher highs and higher lows on the weekly frame, and we can say now that this happened already. We had this line, remember, we broke it, so it was in the green, and then we had this new one with these previous highs. Well, we wanted to break it, and we did. Right now, trying to find support at that point in the precise $69,000 in order to keep on going higher. That would be awesome. Consider that the last time the Bitcoin signal flashed with the MACD on the green, it pumped 171%. If we go 175% since the point we flashed now, that sign, it would bring us to 185K, and we will all be so happy with that. Of course, we are now less than 6% to new all-time highs on Bitcoin, and this is my favorite chart today. This is the monthly, and you can see that we closed the weekly. We wanted to close the weekly on just the previous high, and we can say we did. And well, now this 6% to previous high, just this little piece here, and we have it already. Amazing stuff that you can watch, of course, here with TradingView. It's very interesting to know also that maybe you bought Bitcoin at some point and you think you lost money. Well, if you didn't sell it, you are probably okay, because just 21 days in the whole story of Bitcoin, if you bought it, you are in the red. Just 21 days in the whole story of Bitcoin, the price action was better than it is right now. And why? Well, we have some good news from past week. The SEC, they approved NYSE and CBOE options trading on spot for Bitcoin ETFs. So one more, and this might enhance liquidity and provide new strategies for traders. According to Coin Bureau, also this move could impact on Bitcoin's price stability and market dynamics. Also, what's huge that Russian President Putin said that the BRICS plan to use digital currencies for investments, and also that these BRICS will adopt digital currencies for investments. So yeah, amazing stuff coming from Russia, China, also from Germany. The founder of Jan3, Samson Moe, spoke at German parliament on Bitcoin strategies for nation states. Remember that Germany sold Bitcoin now like 40% up since they sold it. So stupid movement. We told you in previous videos, watch them all. Also, we told you in this video about the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, where this guy appears. So if you want to learn about that, watch the video. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. The market is in the grid. We are in the 73 right now, 72. And that's a good thing. But of course, always here on Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, we tell you about the good and the bad. And the bad comes from Benjamin Cohen. The idea that, yes, right now we are celebrating, but Bitcoin is at an important crossroad here. A breakout would be more in line with the cyclical view of Bitcoin. However, the reason that some caution should be warranted is because after the first rate cut in 2019, Bitcoin rallied up to a lower high, which is where Bitcoin is now, then dropped to the 100 weekly simple moving average. So with this, Bitcoin could drop to 42K. Maybe this is too far-fetched, maybe that's too much, maybe you don't want to hear about that. But if we go to the chart, remember that in 2020 we have this black swan, we have the pandemic. So some people so happy, some people saying, okay, let's be cautious a little bit because we still some time from elections and we might have the what is called October surprise. We might have some disaster coming in the next days. We'll see about that. It's just 15 days till the election day. It's just 15 days till the Fed decision for cutting the rates. And we bet some time ago that we are following 2016 and we might be at the $78,000 for election day. That would be amazing. Here, if you want to compare the cycle we are right now with election years, so easy to see from Crypto Rover that, well, a nice future is ahead of us. We'll see about that. Well, the PAC is helping with this. They now are saying they are pro crypto, and remember, these guys, they are giving away 1 million to people that supports them. You just have to sign there and you get $1 million. They are trying to encourage people to early vote. And remember that Elon Musk is a donator for this company, for this project. I don't know how to call that. And Elon Musk is trying to help Donald Trump's campaign. It's said out there, it's a rumor, that Tesla is likely to accepting Bitcoin as payment method if Donald Trump wins the election. That would be huge for the price the day Elon Musk says that. And it's amazing for us, and thank you very much. He is here and there giving campaigns, giving speeches, and he told us about the government and how they tax us all the time. This is not reasonable, and also they spend that money in things that you don't want. They waste that money, and that's why we need to shrink government. So thank you very much, Elon Musk, for saying that. Remember, we told you everything about that in the video. The individual sovereign, the sovereign individual. If you want to take control of your finances, watch it. You have the link in the description below. It's an awesome book. Are you ready for this? In future videos, we will tell you when are we going to sell, because maybe this time we need to take some profits. Maybe we're going to go to 200K and then go back to 70 and then 800K. Maybe that's too much. Well, maybe not, because Michael Saylor says that Bitcoin in the end will be $13 million for just one Bitcoin. And in ARR, Bitcoin is going to appreciate 29% a year in the next 21 years. So thank you, Michael Saylor. Also, I didn't know they have this model called Bitcoin 24. It's like an Excel where you can put your predictions and you will see in this period of time what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Interesting. I leave you the link in the description below if you want to play with it and make your own predictions. The market in the green is interesting that Ethereum is doing better in the last 24 hours that Bitcoin is. And you have here this chart, Ethereum breaking the 2,700 that we wanted, but we need to go to 3,000. Remember, the last time Bitcoin was at $69,000, Ethereum was at 4,200 right now. So undervalued in my opinion, considering all the numbers for Bitcoin tokenomics, how much is at stake, about the inflation, very small it has, and so on and so forth. But also remember that compared with Bitcoin, well, it have some room for downtrend. The bubbles are crazy in the green, some memes there, so AIs out there. Of course, you can follow that with dextools.io, the best tool you have there, and not just in your desktop, but also in your cell phone. I have it installed, of course, and every day I take my favorite tokens. So do that right now. You have the link in the description below, or find it in your Play Store or your EOS Store. October, 9%, close to 9% right now. And remember, we're watching the weeklies. Right now, the 43rd is in the red, but we had the 41 and 42 in the green. Some more to come. If you want to know about this, and also how are we in our path to 100K right now, well, watch previous videos because we told you everything about that there. We will keep an eye on the stock market right now. It's not bad in Asia. Gold making highs, and these people are happy with that. You can see the age of people believing in gold. We believe now in gold 2.0, which is Bitcoin. No financial advice. But remember that gold's ETFs took 5 years to reach the inflows that Bitcoin ETFs have achieved just in 10 months, as we told you in previous videos. Also, silver seems that it's going up right now. You prefer buying gold, silver, or Bitcoin? Tell me in the description below. Thank you for your comments. And of course, we're happy that seems that dollar wants to go down, and then our crazy theory of the week here might be true. We'll see about that in the next show. Remember, you have to track your portfolio earnings, and you need coin tracking for doing so. 10% discount using the link in the description below if you need, because it's free, but maybe you need a paid version. Use it right now so that in the future, if you need the paid version, you have that 10% automatically in your account. Treasure, also partner of Fun on the Ride, and they are telling us how they are the best option for buying, selling, sending, staking, holding, owning, and whatever you want to do with your cryptocurrencies. Grow it, of course, safer with a cold wallet, safer with Treasure. Thank you for partnering CryptoNews Fun on the Ride. Buy the one that you prefer. You have so many products there, and we told you everything about that in all our videos. Here, myself watching, checking at 2 a.m. my portfolio with coin tracking and Treasure to see if I'm ready rich or yet pre-rich. And here, just dreaming about what will I do in the future with all my all these profits that this time we will for sure have, or we wouldn't. We'll see about that. Any case, we're going to keep on learning about AI with our channel, artificial intelligence with Rodrigo Arnedo, and of course about crypto and about how to be a sovereign individual here on Crypto News. Fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!